The depth here is exactly 10 meters.
Record that.
I'm marking the corrosion on sector 8.
Confirmed. Look at the structural stress on the far edge.
Cables look good. Fuel and batteries are full. Line it up, right there. Okay, tightening this one, good to go. Line up the next beam, locking it in, solid. Keep it steady. Guide rope's just a fraction left.
Operational checks complete. All systems online.
Systems check complete. Commencing launch sequence.
Copy that. Drone is on the cradle.
Zoom in on the brain coral. Log the temperature variance. Confirmed. Data received.
Noted, the manta is demonstrating typical circling behavior around the station. Preparing to photograph for identification.
Analyzing the bioluminescent activity near the trench.
Noted, adjusting the deep sea trajectory to prioritize sample collection. Sonar sensitivity adjusted, moving towards the anomaly. Mark that geological feature. We have confirmation of the entrance.
Analyzing bioluminescence patterns. Initiating coral sample sequence.
Data upload commencing.
Scan complete. Status confirmed. Ready for release. Good luck, little friend.
The signal is stable. She's heading home.
Mission accomplished. It was worth it.
The data indicates multiple active anomalies in this zone. Copy that. Secure the submersible first, then the core samples. Let's finalize the loadout, team.
Set destination Beta 7, depth 200 meters. Adjust thruster output to 20% for initial descent.
Look at those crystalline structures. This changes everything. Record those frequencies. Absolutely stunning.
Sample secured. Confirming environmental readings. Readings stable. Container locked.
The readings are stable, and the biodiversity analysis shows remarkable promise.
Yes, the data from the deep sea sample